Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at Mega Construct little teeny mystery figs. There are 6 to collect. There is a cement mixer, dump truck, forklift, pile driver, regular tractor it looks like, and a bulldozer. In this video, we are going to do a build of it, and then we will do a review in another episode. So this one's just going to be a little build of it. It's going to be nice and short. I hope you enjoy. Hi, thanks for watching that last video. If you liked it, why don't you hit the like button? If you don't want to miss out on further content, please subscribe or maybe check out the video over here.